Apna ghar. Ah, the cherished dream of buying your own home. But in today's market, buying a house is not only an expensive but also a confusing proposition. For most of us salaried professionals, home loans are the go-to option when it comes to home ownership. But these come in so many shapes and sizes with their added lacuna, technicalities, etc., that it seems almost impossible to make a choice. That is why we have for you Home Loan 101, the go-to primer for home buyers. For a typical home buyer, a lender assesses two things. First is the value of the home you are buying, and the second is your ability to pay back the loan you are seeking. For this second point, lenders normally check your income, the income of your spouse, your existing liabilities, and your assets. Your credit history, as reflected by your CIBIL score, also helps a lender determine your credit worthiness. A better CIBIL score is likely to get a lower rate of interest on your loan. Usually, lenders assume that up to 50% of your disposal income will be available for repayment of the loan. Interest rates usually fall under two categories: fixed or floating. A fixed rate of interest is decided at the time of granting the loan and remains unchanged throughout its tenure. A floating rate, on the other hand, moves up and down with the market rate. Today, lenders offer loans that last up to 30 years. But the average tenure is estimated to be around 8 to 10 years. A longer loan tenure would translate into smaller monthly payments, but you will eventually end up paying more interest if you take more time to repay. Earlier, lenders used to charge high prepayment penalties from those who repaid their loans before time. But now, the RBI has made it clear that the prepayment penalty should not be mandatory, and customers can negotiate with the bank to reduce or remove any such penalty. That is why, when comparing different banks and housing finance companies, it is also important to check the prepayment penalties, restructuring options, and lender fees that each one of them offers. Comparing, seeking clarifications, and negotiating are all important steps towards obtaining the best home loan. And you should not underestimate their importance. I hope this video helped you get clarity on what goes on in home loan shopping. And all the best for those planning to buy their first home. We have more such videos planned for you, so do watch this space. Thank you for your time.